Hi, in this video we will see how to create the racing bar chart in Tableau. So racing bar chart is just like a motion chart which changes or varies according to the time. So in order to create this chart I'm going to be using the COVID-19 dataset. So for creating this chart, what I'll just do, I'll take the cases dimension and I'll drop it onto the column, and after that I'll take the case type and I'll drop it onto the filter, and I'll take it. So I'll select only confirm cases. So I'll click on apply. Okay. And now what you have to do now, what I'll just do, I'll take the country field, country region. I'll drop it onto the filter. And now what I just want, I only want top 10 countries. So click on top by field, and I'll take the only top 15 countries, apply, and okay. So after that, create one calculation field. So this calculation field arrange the all the order according to the rank. So I'll give the title as a rank country. And type sum of want cases. So you just have to type this rank sum of cases function. Click on apply and okay. And now take this cases rank country that which I just created. So take this field and drop it onto the row. So we can see now our one scatter chart is ready. So what you have to do, take the country region field, drop it onto the color. So you can see the different color for each of the country. Each of the we have used top 15 countries, and it will show the different color for each of the country. And after that, click on this drop down, go to compute using and select country region, and then again click on this drop down and select discrete. So after that, make it entire view. So we can see our bar chart is ready. So this bar chart shows top the highest casing. So which country having the large number of cases? We can see the US, then Italy, Spain. So it is not showing the label. So in order to show the label, take the country region and drop it onto the label, and take the cases measure and drop it onto the label. And after that, you can just simply uh, hide this field. Click on drop down and hide this field. And in order to make the racing bar chart, what we have to do, we have to take the date measure and drop it onto the pages, and then click on this drop down and select exact date. So after that, we can see on the right side we have one page, our date card. So what you have to do, if we click on this play button, so let's see what happens. So now we can see the racing bar chart. So this is the China leading the most number of cases. So we can see now how our racing bar chart, or we can see our data varies according to the time. So we can also see the time on the right side. So if we make it, if we present in the biggest in big screen, so if we play this button again, so now we can see our racing bar chart in better view or in better vision. So this is how we can create the racing bar chart in Tableau. So thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.